Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Cash App on TikTok Shop. Alright, let's begin. Open the TikTok app and log into your account. Tap the search bar at the top and enter what you want to buy, such as books. Press search. On the results page, check the top for the TikTok Shop tab. If the tab is missing, it might be due to a glitch or it not being available in your region. If you see the TikTok Shop option, tap on it to explore available products. Scroll through listings or watch seller videos. When you find a product, tap to view details. Select size, quantity, or other options, then tap Buy Now. Now switch to the Cash App. Log into your account and tap the banking icon at the bottom to view your balance. If needed, add funds by linking your bank account or transferring money. To complete the purchase, you need your Cash App cash card. If you don't have one, order it in the app and activate it. Tap the card image to find your card number, expiration date, and CVC. Copy or note these. Go back to TikTok. During checkout, select Pay with debit or credit card and enter your cash card details. So that's basically how you can use Cash App on TikTok Shop. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.